The newly launched Short Bitcoin (BTC) exchange-traded fund (ETF) from ProShares with the ticker BT saw a slow start in the market on its first day of trading, before interest picked up noticeably on the second day. The ETF, which launched on Tuesday this week on the NYSE Arca exchange, on its first trading day on Tuesday saw a trading volume of $183, 284 shares, worth approximately $7 million. However, the volume picked up significantly on day 2 of trading, when 870,000 shares changed hands for a value of about $35 million, per ProShares data. The sharp uptick in trading volume for the short ETF on Wednesday came as BTC fell in price from close to $21 to just over the key $20 mark. The $7 million trading volume for BT on its first day makes up only a tiny fraction of the $1 billion in volume that was seen on the first day of trading for BETA, the first regular Bitcoin futures-backed ETF to launch in the US. ProShares Short Bitcoin ETF first 2 days of trading, 30 minutes chart. Unlike a regular Bitcoin ETF, ProShares' new Short Bitcoin ETF lets investors make money as Bitcoin falls in price. It thus offers a relatively straightforward alternative for traders who are bearish on the coin and want to bet on price drops. Other alternatives for getting the same exposure include taking short positions in Bitcoin futures or using margin accounts to go short in the Bitcoin spot market. Commenting on Twitter on the launch day, James Seifert, an ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, said that BT had gotten off to a pretty slow start based on its volume, with only $1 million traded after 1 hour on its first day. The comment from Seifert was picked up by Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, who added that the volume represents less than 1% of the volume BT had at the same time of its first day of trading. Not surprising, given the exotic form of exposure in the recent dud spot Bitcoin launch. Responding to the tweet, other Twitter users appeared to agree that the slow start for BT was not surprising. It's hard to short something that has already dropped 70% and is arguably near bottom. That would be a fool's errand, one user wrote, while another pointed out how the launch of BT marked the top for Bitcoin, and BT the bottom. And while the volume was underwhelming relative to that of other Bitcoin ETF launches, ProShares CEO Michael L. Sapir seemed to remain optimistic. At 14:05 UTC, BTC trades at $20 459 and is down 1% in a day and 9% in a week. The price is down 30% in a month and 37% in a year.